Hello, this is Mr. O, and I'm going to show you how to take a drawing sheet that you've created, a two-dimensional drawing sheet, and make it into a PDF. So I have a drawing sheet here already done up. It's been dimensioned. It has an orthographic view and an isometric view. And I'm going to go to the top right-hand corner where it says Export. When I click on that Export button, it brings up a little window. You select all sheets because you've already only got one sheet here, and I make sure that line weights are selected. I select OK. That is the name of my drawing sheet, and I go down to the bottom here. It says save to my computer. It is going to drop this PDF document into my downloads. I click save, and it is done. That is how simple it is. If I go to my folder here, you will see the idler pulley bracket has been created as a drawing sheet, as its own individual beautiful PDF document, and you can see the outside lines show the shape of the item. I hope that helps you. It is really that simple. I'll speak to you guys later.